Okay, this is how to slip in a slow motion move inside a clip. So if you look here, this orange spots right here are all slow-mo moves. Let's look at one. I'm just going to bring it over here. Play it. That's a fall in slow-mo. And this is a little jump. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to do this. So let's go up to this clip right here. And we're going to get a cutback right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your cursor on there. You're going to go to your arrows, and you're going to find the exact spot where you want to start your slow-mo. Let's say right about there. Then I'm going to hit the I on my keyboard, and it's going to put this little yellow box in there. And then I'm going to bring it over, going one frame at a time, using my holding down on my little arrow that moves it horizontally. And then when I get to the spot where I want to stop my slow-mo, I hit the O for out, shrinking our yellow box to the start and the finish of the slow-mo in the clip. Then I'm going to go up here, click on this, and just do 50% slow. So now let's review it. We're coming into the clip. There's the turn. Now comes the cutback. There we go. All right, so that's how you do it. That's how you do the slow motion. Now, if you didn't like that, all you got to do is go Command C, and it disappears. So let's say we wanted to make it even slower. We would go up, go slow, 50, and then if we wanted to, we could come in here and drag it, make it even slower. So now watch. Even slower. So that's how you use it. If you don't like that, it's too slow, you just pull it back. And that's how you do it inside a clip. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to use Final Cut Pro. Peace out.